Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Volume Delta Candles LuxAlgo. To get started, open the LuxAlgo website in your browser. This is where you'll access the indicator library and find the tool you want to use. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main site and that everything is fully visible on your screen. That will make the next steps easier to follow. Next, look toward the top right area of the page and click on Library. This section is where LuxAlgo organizes its available tools and indicators, so if you're trying to find a specific feature, this is the right place to begin. After clicking, you should be taken to the library page. Once you're in the library, locate the search bar and type in Volume Delta Candles. Using the search function helps narrow down the results quickly, especially if the library contains many different tools. Be sure to type the name clearly so the correct result appears. After that, look through the results for Volume Delta Candles. Take a second to confirm that the title matches exactly, since some tools may have similar names. Finding the correct listing is important before moving on, especially if you want to avoid opening the wrong indicator page. When you see Volume Delta Candles, click on it. This will open the indicators page where you can review the available access options and prepare to add it to your chart. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until all buttons and options are visible. From there, click on Get Access. This step is typically used to unlock or enable the indicator within your account so you can use it inside the charting environment. Depending on your setup, you may need to wait briefly for the access request to process before continuing. Finally, click on Use on Chart. This action applies the Volume Delta Candles indicator to your chart so you can begin working with it right away. Once it opens, you can start viewing the indicator directly in your chart layout and explore how it displays volume delta information alongside price action. As a quick tip, if a button doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or waiting a few seconds for the site to finish loading. And that's it. You've successfully found, accessed, and opened Volume Delta Candles in LuxAlgo.